Hi, I'm gonna share with you. Welcome to Choose Kitchen. I'm gonna share with you chicken chowmein recipe, and I already cooked noodle here. So, according to the instruction of the bag, so I didn't cook all the way because I wanna cook like almost 75%, and then 25% I didn't cook, so I wanna fry with the chicken. Uh, so here we go. I have ingredients ready here for the chicken chowmein recipe. Here we go. I have two thigh chicken boneless, and then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for marinade. So I'm gonna leave it for like 5 minutes, so it will marinate for 5 minutes. So okay, and then I'm gonna show you all this mix, and then leave it like this for 5 minutes. And then I have a cabbage here ready, and ginger, chopped ginger, uh, chopped garlic here, like tablespoon, like 5 cloves of garlic, half inch of ginger root chopped. And then I have I'm gonna use a scallion, green onions. This is the part of the bottom part of the green onion, and this is the upper part of the green onion. I'm gonna put this one at last. So then I have here 1 carrot julienne cut, and I have a green pepper, small one. I use each half, yellow half bell pepper and green half bell pepper. And then I have a French beans, green beans here. I use like a bunch of my hands. So, and then I cut like this thin, divided like 2 part. So, and these are all our ingredients. And then I made a sauce here. I'm gonna add in the end. I use here 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar here, rice vinegar I use here, and then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce I use here. So I mix here together 3 of the sauce here. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce I use here. So this is the sauce for the chicken chowmein. I'm gonna use at the end for give a flavor. Okay, I'll see you in 5 minutes. So then I'm gonna start cooking. Okay, welcome back. It's been 5 minutes. The chicken is already marinated with the soy sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the gas, the stove, and then put on a high medium because it's gonna be stir fried. So I want to put heat. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Whatever oil you have, you can use. 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. Here we go. And I'm gonna add the garlic first. And I'm gonna saute the garlic. Soon the garlic will slightly starting aroma of the garlic is coming out. So I'm going to add right away green onion, the bottom of the green onion. There we go. And I'm going to stir now. Stir for a while. Only the bottom of the green onion. So place of onion, I'm using a green onion because it gives you more flavor. Okay, saute for 1 minute. Then I'm gonna add ginger. This is it's like a 2 tablespoons ginger diced. So here we go, 2 tablespoons ginger. It's like almost a half inch or so. I'm gonna saute now together. 2 tablespoons of oil, vanilla oil, garlic, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger chopped, and green onion, 5 green onions spring I chopped the bottom, and saute for okay, I don't want to burn the garlic and ginger. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add that marinate Thai chicken, you know, the Thai meat, boneless. So here we go, chicken goes in, marinate with the soy sauce only for 5 minutes. Okay, now stir together chicken until chicken cooks. So you have to saute. Okay, let's saute and cook. Okay, I'll see you in 5 minutes. Let's cook chicken for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna cover the chicken. Okay, let it cook. Okay, I'll see you in 5 minutes, so we will see how it looks. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. Let's go check the chicken, how it looks. Oh, it looks good now. It looks like starting brownish. So that's the way consistency we want. It looks delectable. Okay, now it seems like chicken is cooked, because boneless chicken, they cook fast. Because okay, now I'm gonna add first green beans, because green beans take little longer to cook. So I'm gonna add green beans and carrot. Green beans, it's like green beans are only like bunch of my hands. So okay, it's about like a half cup I use green beans. And also the bell pepper, green pepper and yellow pepper both. So it's about like half cup too. So let's saute the green beans first, because it takes longer to cook. The heat is on a high medium, so because it's a stir fry, so we have to cook on a high heat, but not all the way high. It's just a high medium. Okay, let's cook green beans. Okay, let's cook for. Okay, I'm gonna add the carrot now. Here we go. This is the 1 carrot, whole 1 carrot. I peeled, washed, and julienne cut. I did a julienne cut. So because we are making chicken chowmein. Okay, here we go. Saute together again. Mix. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's cook for at least 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add bell pepper. Okay, I'll cover up. Okay, it's been 2 minutes now, so let's see. Oh, looks good now. So I'm gonna add the bell pepper, the yellow and the green one. All right, the saute, and then the end I'm gonna add the cabbage. The cabbage is like 2 cups, full 2 cups, 2.5 cups around the cabbage. See, so I use more cabbage. Okay, I like a lot of vegetable in the chowmein because it gives you more flavor and a good nutrition for the nourish your body. So it's healthier. So if you don't want to add meat, you don't have to add meat, because sometimes I make a vegetarian chowmein, so I use a mushroom place of meat. But today I'm making a chicken chowmein. So okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit salt because I didn't add the salt yet. So it released a little bit of water from the vegetables. I don't want to make too soggy chowmein, so I want to add a little bit salt. Okay, now it's about time to add the cabbage. Here we go. All the cabbage go in. Cabbage are all cut julienne too. Here, thin. So here we go. Saute, mix all together. The salt is according to your taste, okay? Some people like less salt, some people like more salt. So I use little less because we add a lot of sauce like soy sauce, oyster sauce. Those sauces have a lot of salt already, so I don't want to make salty chowmein. Okay, there we go. It looks good. Okay, together, and then in 2 minutes I'm gonna add noodle, so then we can cook together, because noodle is like 25% is not cooked, only 75% I cook with the boiling water, salt and oil. Okay, see you in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, it's around 2 minutes after. So it looks good now. Cabbage is almost a little bit cooked. So I'm going to add the noodle now. Here we go. The noodle is already cooked, boiled in the salt, oil, water. And it is only cooked 75%. So 25% is not cooked. So I'm going to add in the noodle here in the vegetable. And I'm going to stir fry it together. So now mix, and then all mix together. Here we go. And after this, I'm gonna add the sauce that I prepared earlier. Remember, here 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, rice vinegar I use, and all mixed together here, sauce. And then I'm gonna add also white pepper. The white pepper, if you don't have white pepper, it's okay, you can use the black pepper. It doesn't make any difference, but I like white pepper. So I'm used to eating with white pepper, so I like white pepper. It gives a flavor, different flavor. And then and I'm gonna use the green onion, that upper part green onion. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna use the sauce now. The 3 sauce here together, right? So here, usually if you wanna use wine too, Szechuan wine, you can use, but I don't want to use wine. So this sauce good enough for flavor. So here we go. Okay, now we have to stir together. This one is not good. So I'm gonna get the tongue. Here we go. This is better. This is non-stick, so I don't want to. Okay. Here we go. This is the chicken chowmein. Okay. And it's almost done. So I'm gonna add the white pepper here. That's teaspoon, 1 teaspoon only. And here we go. Chicken chowmein. My family loves this one because especially my daughter, she loves this chicken chowmein. Even when she is in college, I used to take her to the school, and then her friends, they all enjoyed this one. So I want to share this recipe with you, and I hope you will like it and you're gonna enjoy with your family. And I'm gonna add now a little bit. I cut like long julienne, so green onion the top, and saute. And then I left a little bit to garnish at the end after everything is done, everything is finished. Okay, here we go. I had to cook the noodle a little bit longer because it's only 25%, it's not cooked, so I have to cook that noodle. It looks good now, see? So I'll see you in 2 minutes, okay? Okay, it's 2 minutes now, and all it's done now. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the gas stove here. Okay, it's done now. Okay, I'm gonna serve in the plate. Okay, I'm gonna get plate and I'm gonna serve. And there we go. Oh, look, I made like amount for maybe 4 people. This is a 4 people serving amount. So here we go. Here, I'll show you some. Chicken is hiding underneath there. Here we go.